Join me to paint this beautiful night sky using watercolor. This is the second painting in Night Sky series. I start by wetting the sky portion of the paper. Wet the paper a couple of times, but make sure there is no pool of water. Then using Crimson Lake, I paint as shown in the video. Next pigment I'm going to use is indigo. After applying indigo pigment, next I'm going to use Payne's Gray. Don't use too much of water to the pigment while painting the night sky. Use minimal amount of water to the pigment so that the pigment is in thick consistency to paint the dark night sky. Near the pink galaxy, add some Payne's Gray as shown in the video. These patches of Payne's Gray on the pink galaxy creates a realistic effect. If there is excess pigment on the paper, then tilt the board and allow those excess pigment to flow near the edges of the tape and wipe that excess pigment using a wastecloth. After that, allow the paper to dry completely. Next, we are going to paint the bottom portion. For that, first I wet the paper. Then using light value of Crimson Lake, I paint the snowy land. By mixing indigo with Crimson Lake, you get violet color, which is applied as shown in the video. After applying violet, next I am going to apply indigo color. After painting the snowscape at night time, allow the paper to dry completely. Next, paint some wooden stumps using Payne's Gray. shadow for these wooden stumps using light value of Payne's Gray. Also add a bird on that wooden stump. At last, splatter some acrylic white for the stars on the night sky. We reached the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.